Hello there and welcome back. Let me adjust the volume. Okay, so in this video we are going to continue our Podman journey, and in this video I want to talk about Podman secrets. So if you're familiar with Kubernetes, in Kubernetes you can also create secrets, and those secrets can be used to pull private registries, to configure authentication, or whatever you feel like doing with secrets. Usually those are things that you would not put in your manifest files, or you don't want to expose. And in Podman, the secrets work on the same concept, so to speak. So let's say that we want to create a DB password, and this password is going to be start !12345, and we unload it to the DB pass file. And we want to create a user, which is going to be admin, and a DB user. Now we have two files, both of them hold the secret that we want to use. And from files, we can create with Podman the following secrets, or the following way. Create and db user dot db user, and we can create the db pass from the db pass file. And now we can use the Podman secret ls, and this shows that okay, these are the secrets, and the Podman secret inspect, and passing along the ID, it is going to show us that, okay, this is our secret, and this is going to be the path. And if we inspect the path, you can see that there is a secrets data, JSON, and if you check the content, you can see that this is what's inside the file. So it's kind of masked, and I think it's base 64. And we can then use these secrets. So let's say that we want to create a Ubuntu machine, and we want to pass along these secrets. We would run the following command. So Podman run, the name of the container is going to be secret service, and we are going to define the secret db user, and this is the way to reference it. So we say that this db user is going to be an environment variable, and the name of the environment variable should be db user, and then the db pass. And we just basically grab the latest Ubuntu image, and then issue the sleep 3600 so that the Podman will, or the container will not exit at once. Now we can use the Podman exec b8 and bin bash, and then the set and grabbing for the db is going to show us that indeed these are the secrets configured as environment variables. Another thing that we can do, if we stop the container and let's just use Podman kill b8 and then Podman rm, and then Podman container rm-a, good. And now we want to create a secret, another one, and we call this from file, and from file is going to be the file name where we echo it. Then we create the secret, create from file, and dot from file is the file where we read that secret from. Now we have the Podman secret ls. This shows that this is the secret. And then we can run our container again. And now the difference is that we reference the secret and say that the target is not going to be an environment variable, but we want to mount it to the /from file. And upon executing to the container, and bin bash, we should be able to get the from file, and then we can see that this is the content. So all in all, this is how we can use secrets. And FCC, no such container. Podman, yes, why is it? Podman kill FCC. Oh, PS-A. So anyway, this is how you can use secrets in Podman.